Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to a new video. Today again back in the shed, and we are gonna try and make something unique. I have a special rock. It's not that special, but to me it's special, and that rock I want to make a stand for it so I can have it mounted like in a presentation type way. So good thing that we have a new welder so we can test it out. I already cut a couple of pieces with my Rage Evolution 3 saw, and well, now we can get to welding with the new Stahlwerk Mig 200. So let's go do that. So what I have here is a couple of angle irons and a plate, and then another angle iron and a small plate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to weld the angle irons together, and I'm going to weld the plate in between. I'm gonna weld the other angle iron as an upright, and then the plate next to it. The holes are for bolts or screws that I want to put into the rock, so that the rock actually stays on this stand that I'm making. So yeah, let's start tacking everything together and see how it fits. So this is the stand that I have so far tacked together, and man, tacking goes nicely with this machine. It's fantastic. Compared to what I was used to, it is all such a massive improvement. Yeah, so maybe I'm happy with a piece or third anyway, but yeah, no, I mean this device is really nice. It still exceeds my expectations. So this is the stand that I have, and then here I have this rock. So I have a rock, and then one stand will be here, one here, and one at the bottom. And then I have a bolt hole here, a bolt hole there, and a bolt hole there, and then at the bottom 2 bolt holes to keep the rock on this stand. And then I need to make some legs and an upright so that I can keep it nicely together. But first, let's weld this part. So yeah, this is kind of a nice weld. I did a lot of booger welds here, and the issue that I had last time as well is the thickness of the welds. I really have thick welds still. Here I just did some tag welds or some shorter welds. You know, not super bad, but I'm just a little bit frustrated by the fact that they're so fat. I want to have a little bit smaller welds. So if you can see here from the side how thick the welds are. So I finished the stand. Some welds came out nice, most of them didn't really come out nice at all. But yeah, that's just a little bit of wanting to work too quickly and not cleaning properly. And then yeah. So, and the other thing is I forgot that this is 2mm steel, and I went through it straight away. Oh, ships. Yeah, that happens sometimes. So you have to keep in mind that you're welding different thicknesses of material, and you have to adjust the machine for that. So again, yeah, some of the welds came out pretty okay. But yeah, it's just to learn the machine and to learn some of the settings. And but yeah, as always, you need to also be wary of the basics. And the basics are that for each material type you need a different setup, and you need to clean your material before you start welding. So basically this frame is angled forward a little bit so that the rock that I have leans over a little bit. And I've drilled a couple of holes in the rock, but man, granite is hard. I thought I could just drill in it with my rock drill, with the drills that I had. I just purchased nice drills, but they don't stand a chance in this granite. So the 2mm tubing I welded with 17 volts and 120 amps, and the 3mm thick to 4mm thick plates I welded with 19 volts and 150 amps. Again, if you clean your material, it works well. If you don't, it might sputter a little bit. And also your ground needs to be stable. I was trying to build a small welding table to muck about on, but yeah, I already drawn up a big one. So I want to try and make a big welding table shortly. But I need to get some tube material that I have stocked somewhere else. Yeah, so basically that was my first project that I did. I'm still super happy, especially tagging, because with yeah, basically with flux wire, the tags are really not strong, and it is also not really nice to tag with them. And now with a normal welder, tagging is much better, much nicer. Again, I still have the welds very thick, and I don't really like it. I don't know yet what I need to do. Maybe if you have some suggestions, please let me know. But at least we're making progress, and the first project with the new welder is completed. So thank you for watching, and have a great day, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.